Now you see, student, because in the previous video this option was not much clear. So I was telling to you that in this A1 you will be able to see that it is A, it is 1. So this black color border is on A1. A1 we say this is the name of the cell. Now if we are changing it by the arrow keys, right arrow keys, we will see that this is B1 now because it is B, the first row is 1. So by the help of this way we can see the address will change on this address bar, and this you will see now it is B and from here it is 4, so its address is B4. So every cell on the Excel sheet is having a different address, and we worked on in the cell addresses. Later we will tell you that how you can work with the cell addresses. Okay, then after you will be able to see that here it is fx is written. Fx means function or the address bar, the formula bar. So this area is known as the formula bar. So this is appearing when you see that the formula you have written. Suppose I have written something, suppose 10 I have written here, 20 I have written here. Okay, so when we write anything, suppose 10 I have written in A1, so 10 will appear in the formula bar. Then if 20 I have written in A2, then the 20 will appear in the formula bar. Okay, so if we will write any formula also, suppose if I will just tell you that equal to A1 plus A2, this formula I have written. I want to add these two numbers 10 or 20, so I am writing this formula A1 plus A2 because this is the cell address A1 and this is the cell address A2. So our formula always starts with equal to sign. So I have written equal to A1 plus A2, and it is showing what? 30. Correct? But here it is showing 30, but on the formula bar please see that the formula will appear, that is equal to A1 plus A2. Now this is the use of a formula bar. When you have to write down any cell address, in the cell address if you have written any formula, then formula will appear in the formula bar. Okay, and the output or the result will appear in the cell address. So that is the use of the formula bar. Then come to this place, that this is the columns and these are known as rows. Okay student, then if you will see that this is the worksheet, and in this worksheet we work on it. This is the white page. We have lots of grid lines is showing to you. Okay, and if we come to this right side, then we'll see that there is a arrow that is for up and that is for down. Okay, so this is for the movement of this arrow to up and down. So moving your worksheet up and down, you can use this scroll bar. And then we have another scroll bar that is showing to you here. This is for the left and right purpose. So this scroll bar is for the left and right purpose. This scroll bar, right vertical scroll bar, is used for up and down purpose of your movement of your sheets. Then if we are talking about this, this is your sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. Now these are the sheets. If we will click on the sheet 2, then we will see that the sheet 2 will appear. Now we have written something on sheet 1, and if we have clicked on sheet 2, then this will be a blank sheet. If this sheet 3 is there, then this will be again a blank sheet. And then we have a button also. This is for inserting worksheet. Okay, this is for inserting worksheet. So this inserting worksheet is a button that if you required more worksheet to add into this spreadsheet or in the document or in book 1, then you can add multiple worksheets from this point. Okay, from this button. So this is your interface, and the last one that is showing to you, this is the sheet tab. Okay, and then we have a last one that is written ready. ready is written on a status bar. This is known as status bar. Now in this status bar you will see that it is showing to us that it is ready. Okay, and on the right hand side if we will check, then we will see that we have some views. These are the views, different views available to view your Excel sheet. Okay, and this is the zooming area, that is showing to you that 100% zoom. But if you want to decrease, you will click on minus sign. If you want to increase this zoom area, then you have to click on plus sign. So it is the zoom control. So this is your vertical scroll bar, this is your horizontal scroll bar, this is your view tab. Okay, to see your worksheet in different views. This is your zoom control, and this ready is appear on the status bar. And if suppose I have selected this, I am going to select. Now see, if I have selected these three things, you will see some formula is also written on it, that the sum of these three numbers are 60, count is 3, average is 20. So computer is automatically calculating your average, calculating your count, calculating your sum of the numbers. Clear? So that is Excel, in which you can work with the numerical data. So I think by the help of this video, this interface is clear to you. In the next class, I will tell you about the how to create, how to insert a new worksheet, how to delete a worksheets. Okay, we will start our Excel sheets. Thank you.